Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, all that sunshine caused our temperatures to skyrocket again today. We hit 79. It was even warmer than yesterday. Normally we should be around 71, and our morning low started at 50 with some fog this morning. And right now you can see how it's cooled down right along the coast with our east breeze right now. It's down to 66 at Port Aransas, but still holding at 82 degrees at Alice. Corpus Christi is 77 with that wind coming around to the east. Still pretty light breeze blowing, but it is bringing that moisture back in, and with calm winds tonight, that's going to cause fog to form. So after 9 o'clock tonight, we'll watch for that fog starting to develop and visibility is dropping. By 11 o'clock, we could see some pockets of almost half-mile visibilities, and you can see how those come down as we get into 1 o'clock in the morning, just less than a half a mile, even down to 0 in some spots. And farther inland, it does look like you have a better chance of seeing that fog tonight than you did last night. It may be more widespread. So as we go into the early morning tomorrow, again, if you're leaving early for work, you may need to slow down. We're looking at those visibilities dropping to dense fog with only 2/10 possible and 0 visibility possible in Corpus Christi by 7 to 8 in the morning. That fog starts to lift right after sunrise, which is at 7:06 tomorrow, and then we'll see improving weather with a partly cloudy sky. Lows tonight, not as cool. We stay in the upper 50s at the coastline, near 50 inland tonight. The wind nearly calm by the time we get into the morning tomorrow, and then the temperatures climb again. Only tomorrow we have a south wind, and that's going to bring us up to near 80 degrees in the afternoon. It'll be warm, not too bad on the breeze, only up to about 12 miles an hour, and partly cloudy and a dry day tomorrow with temperatures well above average again as we do climb into those lower 80s inland, mid 70s right at the beaches. The change comes with this. Our next system here developing out west. This cold front's going to swing into the area, and that'll bring temperatures down a little bit by Saturday. Here's a look at that on Future Tracker. This is starting tomorrow morning, and again, look at all the fog in the area in the morning and some low clouds. Temperatures, though, once we get that fog clearing out, and you can see how it lifts, we end up with partly cloudy skies in the afternoon tomorrow. We do warm into those lower 80s inland. Tomorrow night, we'll see that fog redeveloping out ahead of our cold front. That doesn't come in until about 2 to 3 in the morning, Friday morning. So with that, we'll see that fog ahead of it, and then the wind shift. And temperatures, they don't come down too much initially behind this system. Friday is still going to be pretty mild. In fact, above average temperatures again in the 70s with sunshine by Friday afternoon. We'll have some clouds early in the day, and then we'll clear out. So with that, here is your 7-day forecast. This is brought to you by AutoNation. AutoNation will purchase your car even if you don't purchase a vehicle from them. Shop now at the AutoNation lot near you. So looking ahead the next 3 days, we're seeing that temperature coming down a little bit Friday, still above average in the 70s. The clouds clear out in the afternoon, then it's sunshine for Saturday and 72 degrees. It's going to be a little cooler out there, even in the morning, 48. Warmer day of the weekend, that's Sunday. It's still dry too. A great weekend to get outdoors. Maybe you have to put up the Christmas lights. You can do that all the way into early next week, although the wind starts to pick up Monday and Tuesday ahead of our next front, dropping us to 68 with a slight chance of showers on Tuesday. By the way, we have the Harbor Lights Festival coming up this coming Saturday. Lots to do, and we are going to see the weather nearly picture perfect for that, as it'll be mild and dry.